Hello, welcome back. Tradition. Let's open the chat. Oh shit. Let's see if it works. Boink. Okay. Have it open. Nice. Okay. Stop it and stop it. Alright. Just a little wake up music. Chat, a little wake up music. Get the fuck up! Oof, my hair is trying to fix it. Whatever. It's still drying. Okay, it's better like this. Okay, no. Put the chat over here. I don't know this playlist. Let's see. Nope. So it's like Katy Perry, Kesha made into hard style. I don't know if I agree with that. This is really bad. It's sugar free. God, it's so bad. Okay, that music sucks. Sorry, I can't. It's only the first one that was decent. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So ship it. Obviously, this is the last thing. This we should wait with, it said. This is after. It's for like V2. This is 2. We already did this though. We kind of did that. No, this is. This we can try and test. And this we can see if this is working. Boink. Okay. Wait. What about the stream manager actually? Or let's see. Because I started creating this because my stream was disconnecting a lot, and then I just wanted like hey, the stream is fucking up. But okay, we can do this, I guess. Let's try this one. Oh. Rip. We've got the right file and the error is something real I need to see. Please paste the full text. Okay, I'll do it again, bro. Okay, this fix settings and API. Okay. API key don't leak. Put it here. Pair it. Okay, that's kind of annoying. All right, save and close. Let's check again. Okay. Okay, so let's just test it. If we are in here, test what is happening. Can you transcribe this? Just nothing happens then. Cool. All right, so I just tested, trying to remove my OpenAPI AI API key, and through welcome and settings I couldn't delete it and press save. It wouldn't let me press save for some reason if I deleted my API key manually. You should still be able to do that. So I had to do it through the setup button on the menu, and that worked, and I could press save. But now when I try to talk and transcribe something, nothing just happens. I think we need some sort of error message for the user to indicate that there is either no key or there is some problem with the OpenAI API key instead of just nothing happening. Okay. Yep. Okay. Oh, this is my website. Close that. Oh, it's the TikTok meme song. Okay, so here, tools, this. Yep. Paste that password into the script. I didn't know I had to do that. Wait. Wait, what's happening? Recording saved. Why is it doing that? Not supposed to do that. Something's wrong with my hotkeys. Oh. Control V. Alright, no more memes. Yeah. These I still have to delete. Whoa. Python stream watch 2. Okay. Let me just double check it. Okay. Oh, I almost leaked it. God damn it. Place your real computer. Save. Okay. I tried to paste in my real WebSocket password from OBS and I still get an error message. I will paste it now. Okay. Wait, let's just do clear and then point. Because then we can kind of easier see here. Right. It's here. Is it in that one? It literally writes it in clear text. That's crazy. Okay. Oh. Okay, hold on, chat. Uno más. Okay. Alright. I just had to generate a new password. Let's try again. So of course I hadn't enabled WebSocket in OBS, but I just did, and now we get another error. It seems it's here. Just to make it so it automatically does it. Okay, boink. I think I want to try something else. First notice is it's not really rolling with the scroll, but it's whatever. It would be nice to fix it, but I don't know how. But another thing I was thinking is that instead, if the chat by default is faded slightly more than it already is when it's unlocked, so when you can drag it around, maybe faded 5-10% more. And then if I click on the chat, so the Python script is in focus, it's less faded so I can see the messages, because right now I get distracted too much when like a new message flashes and I'm doing something. So yeah. Or what do you think? Okay. Oh my god. Griefed. Okay. Okay. I just gotta generate it again. Thank God. I have to tell it not to do that. Okay, please don't output the password in the future. I just had to generate it a new one because it was there on the stream. So please just type like OBS WebSocket password so I know what to put. Let's see what it's saying. I already leaked this one and made a new one, so it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna leak the new one. Okay. This is progress. We just moved one step closer. A stray space. Must apply an OK. The file you edited versus OBS. Run this one-liner in your terminal. It tries to connect and prints a clear result. If it prints connected, it prints this. It prints this. Try your back to Parrot. Run Parrot. See if I can paste it back. Save. Like that. Test, test, test. Well, I can't believe it just works immediately. Here. Change. Save. Save. Test, test, test. It should fail. Fuck. I deleted the wrong one. Oh, whatever. Now, okay. Now, yeah. Dictation needs, right. Cool. That restore the key. Test, test, test. I don't know why it says just, but yeah, when I say test, I think it say just. Ugh, shit. Cool. Amazing. I can now change it from both the welcome settings and setup screen, so that is good. And I get a Python pop-up error. My question is, when I get these errors slash pop-ups, when we bundle it as a real app, is it gonna be more in your face? Because right now these messages, they start like bouncing on my Mac dock menu, so it's kind of hidden. It doesn't just pop up right on the screen. This is fixed. Let's check this. Tools, doing. This and this, yep. Both are checked. Where did you get the new version? It's like a very bad, I don't know. There's soda that's sugar free is way better. What is it saying? Just like this. Once brightened. OBS. Oh. Whoops. I just noticed something earlier when you gave me the file. It was a zip file with two different Python files. I don't think the newest version is unzipped correctly. So I'm only running the stream_watch Python file. I don't know if the other Python file is in the same directory unzipped, so maybe that could also cause some issues. Okay, what did he say? Why the pop-up bounces instead of jumping in your face? Okay. The one-liner that tells Mac, yes, I really do want to focus this right now. Okay. My proposed second sentence preview. Give me the git commit command first before we potentially break something with a comment of what we just fixed. Okay. Oop. Right. Proceed to the fix you were talking about before your two-sentence preview. This. Let's try and download it. Download. 7. I'm just gonna close the chat real quick, guys. No, it doesn't work. This song is so good. Bass clang song. Okay. Nope. Nope. It stays the same percentage of faded no matter if I click on the chat or if I click on another window. Okay. Okay, now we should see pop up aggressively. Test. Okay, it does like this. Nice. Cool. So that works. Great, that works now. So then we should try. First of all, I'm gonna check something quick. Waking up and you weren't there. Because here below it goes Google AI Gemini. And then it goes Google Gemini, OpenAI, and then it goes Google Gemini, OpenAI. When you look at the welcome window, the settings window, and the setup window, the API keys are in different order. I don't want that. I want the OpenAI key to be the first one in all of the windows, then the Google one as the second one, and the Gemini as the third one, since the Gemini is the optional one. So we want it at the end. Does that make sense? Because that's really annoying. Oh, I messed something up in my OBS. Shit. Great. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna close the chat for a sec. Save this again. Eight. Move to trash. Okay. But you can't hear the music? You haven't been able to hear the music this entire time? But why? What happened? Oh. Yes, you can. Okay. Boink. God, this is cancer. God, so look, I can't drag it here on the Mac. Mac is so bad. It's so bad for streaming Mac when you have like limited space and you move stuff around. Oh damn it, man. Alright, let's test it. Okay. Wow, it's a lot better. Nice. It's so I don't get too distracted. Fuck. Now let's just test that it works. Think I can fly when I'm with you. I'm so white. Why is it always so slow, the YouTube one? It works, cool. Perfect. Perfecto. Very nice. Good job. It works. So now we just need to figure out the scroll bug, why I can't scroll to the previous messages. Let's check it. OpenAI, Google Gemini. OpenAI, Google Gemini. OpenAI, Google Gemini. Perfecto. Perfecto. Cool. Fix the order of order of keys. Green. Nice. Boink. Okay. Amazing, I committed that. So something I wanted to do next is kind of look into the way we use Gemini to sum up, simplify both the stuff that gets read up, but I think actually the sum up of the transcribed words, are we using OpenAI or do we use Gemini for that as well? The biggest focus is the sum up. Like, I want you to be able to highlight like a lot of text and then it very shortly sums it up, summarizes it very shortly. Like, there needs to be like a big difference and not just like a little bit shorter, better. It has to be like a very short, like TLDR, too long, didn't read. Give me a sum up of all of these words. So I want you to look at the prompt that we do right now and then see how can we improve this to better it in a shorter, just rough sum up of the text. Alright, and then here, in your Streamlabs chat box setup, do old messages stay in the list or do they fade after a while? They are set to fade after a few minutes. Okay. Keep messages. Okay. Then we just do that. Log in on Streamlabs. Chat box. Point always show. Okay. So now it should always show. What the heck, man? Because your Streamlabs, I did that. No, we'll just check that. Okay, this one next. Should the feature still be called Simplify or should we rename it something else? Maybe TLDR because it's funny. I think we should do it aggressive. My next issue is I need a new API key because I accidentally deleted mine. This one. This. Let me just find that. Gemini API key. Yep. Yep, I already have one. Free tier. Perfect. Here, let me not leak it. Oh shit. Boink. Nice. Okay, so what does this say? You're giving me way too much text. I just need you to shortly tell me what I need to do in order to test it and get back to you. So what do you need me to do and what info do you need? It's like giving me like a wall of text. There. Yep, and then let's just do like doink. Then I need to find the password. Let's see. Boink. The fuck? Rotate the password. I don't understand why it doesn't work though. Yo, Shield, DS Shield, how you doing, man? Did you get your Minecraft thing working? I don't understand why this doesn't work. I have to hide it again. That's wild. That is why it changed. Yes, and then, so now it should work. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Something's working. No, we've been doing well with Parrot. Well, we're getting it to work, so it's pretty cool. Start streaming. Leave this running. Okay. No, but doing animation. Okay, cool. Cool. So this connects here. Okay, but this is at least, we're testing this, and that works, so that's cool. If it works, I don't know. Good job. That was just another fun little thing that we got done. Any other ideas? You helped me create like a YouTube, Twitch, multi-chat that is faded, and now you help me create this little thing so I can see if the stream disconnects. What else? Let's see what it says. I don't know. Can you help me once again to change the name of the codex folder, because now I'm starting to create other small little side scripts projects that I want to save in here and then quickly run with my animators. So how can I change the codex folder name without having to make a new animator application? Nice, okay. Okay. Yeah. for the menu name, you said you'd given a custom one. Okay, it's still working here. I think I have to start and look at my website then. Remove everything here. Like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I don't know, it's very generic. I don't know if I like it. It's just you get like download link for a parrot, says what it does, you know. It's somewhat of a guide. There's like a link to my 2 streams here, except that the link is wrong. Whatever. Lapcutter streamer in Denmark. Okay. Maybe this, yeah, it's fine for now. This I don't like with Denmark. It's, I don't know. What actually else? Like, what actually else? Oh, you can't see my screen. What actually else do I need before Parrot goes live? Right now we're doing this. We have this actually. We didn't add that. This manual entry. It works. There's an error message now. This we're doing. Crash log, like I don't know. polish with GPT. There's two, I guess. That's the only two. Then we just need like website and then vacation. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit worried because every time I get into a new routine, like a new habit, then something like this happens and then I just completely abandon it once I've returned. By the way, how did your test go? Yeah. I'm of course excited for my vacation. I just wish that I could stream more this week. Like maybe I can stream tomorrow, I'm not sure, but like tomorrow and all of the coming days up until my vacation, it's a bit like unsure because as I've said 1,000 times, I live with my mom right now and my mom is going to be back. But so depending on when my mom is home and when I'm home from work and stuff, yeah, it's dependent on that. So this is maybe the last stream for the next 3 weeks, a bit less than 3 weeks. Maybe I could like actually stream a little bit in France if we have nothing to do, but yeah, I don't know. It was okay. Or maybe you didn't get like the answer right away. Did you get like told if you passed or not? Or you don't know? Tomorrow's another text or test. Sounds like you go to university, like goddamn, because some of the part time at my work, it's the same where they have, like a lot of exams and stuff. I'm glad it's not me. Guess you can't have everything. I always like I wanted to go to like university for the like campus part, where you're like living close to the school and you're like just having fun with like your classmates and stuff and like partying and all that. I never really got to experience that, but like the studying part or like the test, it sounds boring. So yeah, well, it's the session time. I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's see. I study AI, so it's kind of fun. Wow. I do that too. I just do it. Oh my fucking god. I just leaked my fucking password again. I have to regenerate it once more. I am not cut up for streaming. God damn. I study AI, but I study it on TikTok. Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah. YouTube and TikTok, that's my learning material. Those are my courses. Studying AI seems pretty cool though. Alright, hold on. I should just do it again, regenerate that. God freaking damn it. It's this one. Boink. I mean, it's not an important password I leaked, but still. It's called this. It's called the num. Boink. Yep. It's the same. I swear, when I press generate, it's generating the same password. God freaking damn it. It's the same, no? Okay, generate, apply. Okay, go back. Show info. Oh, no, it's different. Okay. Now I'm closing this file. I'm not leaking this anymore. Leaked it 2 or 3 times. Boink. Save. I swear I thought I closed that file. Okay, go back. Nice, it works. Still works. Whew, thank God. Okay, so what is this thing here? The first launch will simply migrate your config JSON. Why is it called set TLDR hotkey? Set TLDR hotkey. I feel like that's troll. No, he has not called it. Maybe it's only in setup. Oh, edit TLDR prompt. Okay. Write a TLDR on the text below, 1 to 2 sentences. Okay. Okay, so this is all it's doing when we have the simplify version. So let's test it. Let's test it. Y'all ready? Let's see if we have the volume cranked up. Yep. Doesn't it have like, okay, this, let's just do this. What I told it.
Improve the summarization process to create very short, TLDR-style summaries by reviewing and refining the current prompt.
Right. Right. Let's find something on the internet instead. Wikipedia. Can you do like a random one? Snake. Okay, no, maybe there's some people that don't like snakes. AI. Okay, just do the first one here.
Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence.
Okay. We'll take all of this. Let's see how long it takes. Process.
Artificial intelligence is a field that develops computational systems capable of performing tasks typically associated with human intelligence.
Okay, that was very short. I mean, I don't know if it summed everything up it says here, but it's been put very aggressive right now. So it's only 1 to 2 sentences. I don't know if it's too short. Maybe it's too short. I don't know. I'm kind of stalling as well because it's like, well, I'm not stalling, but I think I'm a bit nervous. This I'll do off stream. I can do it quickly, I think. It shouldn't be that difficult. And then it's kind of just like, I guess I can just bundle it as an app and then see how it works. Honestly. I know it's like very scuffed, this. It's like it's super scuffed, right? But I think it's just like, I can sit and fine tune like so many things for so long. Like I just need to like wrap it up. Like wrap it up, bro. Right? And then you just get it out there, and then I can always like, okay, look into like a real UI and like tinkering with this, tinkering with that, yeah. There's just many things. I would like to make it more clear when it's like processing something, but I'm just scared that it's gonna mess something up if I ask it to like make it different. Because right now it's just blinking in the middle. It's blinking like red or blue. But like maybe if it was like going like in some animation around it, it would be like a bit more clear, or pulsating like around the entire pill. You could just see it more, because it's kind of hard to tell when it's processing, I think. But then again, is it that important? I don't know. What did I do? Alright, what do you think about, do I have it here? What do you guys think? Okay, do I have it? Okay, no, I'm not even gonna show it. No, I don't want to show it. I'm embarrassed. Don't see it. I can't show it. You'll just see it when you see it, and that's how it is. Okay, I committed it. Okay. How difficult would it be to make the processing animation and like when it's recording to make it pulsate around the outer pill shape? Or just like have some color moving clockwise or counterclockwise around the round pill itself, because it's not very clear right now when it's blue and it's processing. I just committed, so I think we're chilling. Marvel Rivals said that they're gonna toughen up on their cheating, anti-cheating stuff. Let's just try this. Yep, both. Boing. Go ham, bro. Okay. Maybe instead of having like the colors and like the different styles and stuff, let's just keep it more simple with like less colors on it. Of course, there can be some styling to make it look a bit nicer, but just way more simple, I think. Let's see what he comes up with. Minimalism is harder than it looks when you strip out color. Okay, but make a new branch, do the change, it work. What? Make a new branch, do the change, if it works, add to main. But with this, too late. I don't even know what you're saying. Like, you're talking to someone that just learned a few days ago how to do like git commit, okay? And I still don't understand if Git and GitHub is the same thing. When I do git commit, do I push it to GitHub or what happens? I don't know. I don't understand it. It's not easy being a solo developer. A solo, not even developer, a solo vibe coder. Clueless solo vibe coder. I was like 20 minutes behind. Oh, Git is local. That's what I thought, but I wasn't sure. But isn't it fine then? Isn't it fine if I'm like, if I'm trying to get something to work and then I like, you know, okay, I push it to Git, I'm like, nice. And then if I try to do something new and it messes everything up, then I just like push back to that commit, then I'm good, right? Then everything's fine. Yeah, you can revert. Nice. I tried asking him to come up with a new, okay, it's still making my website. Oh, make my website. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Y'all ready for this? Let's see. Fuck. do 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 do. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is what he made now. It made now. It's because before it looked like this. I don't know, there's just something about this I don't like too much. Like the colors or something. But this, I mean, I should ask my friend, he's like a front-end developer, but yeah. This is just, I don't know. The first one it made was like completely different. It had like a coder vibe over it. It was too nerdy, honestly. It was too nerdy. That's the most generic looking website, this one? I think so. I think it's just because I know how it makes websites. So I know that, like, there was one time when I asked Anthropic, so Claude specifically, to make like an app look, and it was the same color coding it was using with the orange and the green. It's just like it always uses this color coding. I don't know what looks good anymore, honestly. I don't know. Let's test it. The colors don't. Test, test, test. Oh, you can see it more now. Does it look worse or better? I don't know. Test, test. Wow. This is too much around it, I think. Wow. I don't know. It looks like a rave or something. Oh no. Look at the basic elements you like and then tell Claude to combine them. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I think it's too much when it's recording like this. At least the blinking, it's like woo woo. I don't know, I don't like that. Whoa, what's happening? I like the idea, but the colors are a bit too like wow, like out there. I think they're too bright, they're too in your face. It's very like rave wide. I can't talk. Yeah, I'll have to look into the website thing another time. My contacts are starting to really annoy my eyes. I don't know what to say, I'm sorry. Oof, yeah. Test, it's still very rave, the colors, and the blinking is crazy. Honestly, I don't really see a difference. I think the biggest issue I have is that the blinking is pretty intense. If you instead could give it like a soft pulsating feel where when it registers speaking, the color of the red intensifies slightly, but not this crazy. And then with the blue, I guess it should just have like a lava lamp feel, smooth, pulsating. I need to quit this. I don't think it's good that it's open while it's changing stuff. And he goes. Not that I am that fond of this website, but let's say I loved this and I wanted to put this website out there live with Parrot bundled and as a download link. How would you do that? Obviously, I need a domain name. I need to host the website on some server somewhere, but then how do you go about that? If I had the server access and the domain name, then how do you implement the download link? Does it just refer to like a bundled app on the server people can download? And how do you make it secure? A server, static hosting. VPS is the old way. How's that the old way? The modern way. GitHub pages. Okay. Cloudflare pages. Netlify. Managed hosting. Hi, Perfect Dev. How you doing, man? I'm late. Or am I late? Oh, yeah, you are. Okay. For the side. I don't understand. HTTPS everywhere, free and automatic on managed hosting. I don't know, guys. I don't understand. What the heck is the bottom down key? Can you put like a GitHub? Isn't it mostly so people can see like the raw code files and then download them and run them? Like you don't put like a .exe file on GitHub. right? Yes. Oh my god. I hate when it does that. But okay, so if you're telling me what is the new modern way of having an actual website, like vibecodingiscool.com or whatever, like how do I do that the right way according to you? For a site like yours, the modern stack is your file lives in Git, pushed to GitHub, connected to a host that builds and serves them globally. Yeah. Yeah. I understand that GitHub is then the place you get. Okay. But I hate that it does this concept shit. I need to turn it off. Put the project in Git, push it to GitHub, connect the repo. Connect the repo to Cloudflare Pages. Buy the domain, add it to the Pages project. But I don't understand. What I don't understand is what it's telling me here. This costs $10 a year. There's no servers involved. So I don't understand how can I have a website. I keep opening this. How can I have a website like the one I just showed without a server? I don't understand that. It doesn't make sense in my head. Like, let's say I want this like this. Would you say, wow, this is amazing, boom, this is what we want? Then I don't understand. Like, it's telling me that I can have this through Cloudflare something. Have a good vacation. Thanks, perfect Dev. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Yeah, it's been a fucking long day for me too. They have a server. You don't have to care about that. Okay. I can't scroll. It said it fixed it. It's not fixed. Sorry, I'm tweaking out, guys. What did you say? If you want an example of an app on GitHub that also has a web page and how it looks like, look up Spreadsly. Okay. I can't spell it. Stop it. Oh my god. I'm getting griefed. This is so annoying. All quiet, huh? It's this guy? This. It's like this. He has his own website. Cool. And then he has a GitHub link. Okay, sorry. But he looks mad. Like, what the heck? Okay. So he has this. Okay, my problem with this, it's just like, it's not very humane. Like, this is like it's just, I'm sorry to tell you, a normal idiot human being, when they see a page like this, they freak out. Okay, they don't understand what to do. I don't even understand what to do. It's like, yeah, you can download it as a zip or open with GitHub, but it's like, it needs to be like, you press a button and then you download it. You don't have to have like a fucking PhD in AI to access the program I'm making. Like that's that's my issue with GitHub. It's a README. Can you actually access it directly from his site? Let's see. It's this downloads. This makes it a little bit easier, I guess. Yeah. Download the DMG. You can do like this. Okay. Okay. But this actually links to his GitHub. Yeah. Okay. This is okay, yeah. But so this website, all of this, it's made the same way, like Cloudflare or whatever. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can copy the commands, but I have Brew too, and I'm more like accustomed to Brew now, but it's a static website. A static website, bruh. Frog, frog. I mean, this is a lot more like, chill. That's me. I was an IT specialist. That title is such bullshit. IT specialist. It means nothing. We were like 15, 20 people, and we were all hired under the same title, IT specialist. And it's like, doesn't mean anything. It's just a person that works in IT. Okay. Cloudflare pages. Build fast sites. A little bit of focus with effortless Git integration. What the fuck? No, it's It's so stupid. There's so many people that think if you like if you like IT support or something, oh, you know how to code. Like everyone in IT knows how to code. Like that is not true. It is not. One build at a time, 500 builds per month. Does that mean I can do it for free? Free is good. It's just like static websites. What is the difference between static websites and websites? Like it's always hosted the same place, because static, it means that it's not dynamic. So static means it doesn't change. That mean when you created the website you can't change it? No, probably not. Booged. I don't know. I'll look into this. I guess if it's free or if it's like very little cost, then it's worth it. I just don't know how to do the GitHub stuff, but I guess I'll figure it out. But because right now I think that's fine. That's perfect. That's perfect. We don't need backend. Backend sucks. It's backend is too complex. Front end, it's where we live. You could definitely host a website with downloading for free. You think so? Okay. Well, I have to figure that out. That's the next step. I guess I could look into it a little bit on my vacation, because we don't really have any plans. I'm just going to France to chill. But I mean, I'm not gonna just sit and stare into a wall for 2 weeks, right? So I'll have time to look into some of this stuff when we're not doing too many things. We'll see. Maybe I don't have time. We'll see. Maybe I won't have any time. But if I have time, this guy. What is this? What the fuck is this? What did I bookmark? Oh, it's the local AI thing. Okay. The vibe died now. Let's test this. Let's see what it looks like, and then maybe that's it. Is it better like this? Test. Do you think it looks better like this? It doesn't look as rave crazy. Oh my god, it said rape. Rave. I think it looks better. I think that it's better. Let's test it with the bright one. Light one. Test. Yeah, it's a bit awkward, the color. It looks way better with the dark one now. Oof. I mean, I guess it's the same, but hello. That's fine. Let's just commit it and then just, boink. I think that might be it for tonight, honestly. That might be it. Change. Make fill full said color on outside. I mean, we definitely made it more, but I don't know if it's like I wanted. I don't know. Oh yeah. So basically, what we need is to bundle it, test it, and I guess we can just do so people can download it, and then people can report back what sucks and what doesn't suck. People. Yeah. Also make it available for Windows, but I don't really know how I can test that. I mean, I can try and if I can get it ready before I leave, which I should be able to, then I can try and like make it into an exe, and then I can just like send it to myself, and yeah. The only thing I don't know is like, let's say we push it to GitHub, right? Obviously, we push it with no API keys. My question just is, when people then open the program and they put in their own API keys, like, does it store it locally? Like, I guess it stores it as some temporarily local file somewhere on their computer. Don't understand when, how, where. Like, I don't know. I don't know how that works. Whatever. This I guess we could move like this because this is, can we put it down or something? I don't know, guys. It's getting late. It's 11, almost 11 p.m. I know we had a short stream today, but yeah. I I slept a lot, guys, and yeah. I was just messing around, honestly. Doing other things. Good night. Why is it not showing up here? It is. It's just quicker on the. Yeah, good night. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I won't. As I said, I don't know when my mom is home. So yeah. If not, then I'll see you guys in a few weeks. A bit more than 2 weeks. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna miss it, but I'll be back. I will be back. Okay, have a good night. Bye, guys.